I'm Bonnie Anderson and I'm 12 years old and I love to sing. My mum thinks of me entering Australia's Got Talent is pretty good and that I should just go for it and have as much fun as I can. So yeah, thank you.
Yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans we made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down a song. Just can't remember